In the previous example, we used the project's NPV to decide whether or not the firm should accept or decline the project. And because the NPV of the project was negative, we recommended that the firm should reject the project. Another way that firms might decide whether or not to take a project is by calculating its internal rate of return. It's IRR. The internal rate of return is essentially the average rate of return that this company would earn on their investment if they invested in this project. And so recall in the previous example, our project had an upfront capital expenditure of $100 million. And then this project would generate cash flows of $53 million, $53.5 million in years 1 and 2. And so let's see how we can calculate the internal rate of return of this project. So to do this, we need to find the discount rate that makes the present value of these cash flows equal to 0. So we want to solve this equation. Minus 100 plus 53.5 over 1 plus x, where x is the internal rate of return, plus 53.5 over 1 plus x squared is equal to 0. And so we can plug this equation into a numerical solver, or we can solve the second order polynomial. And if we do that, we find that x, the internal rate of return, is equal to 4.63% per year. And so we see in this case, the internal rate of return is less than the cost of capital of this company, which is 6% per year. And so because it isn't earning a high enough rate of return, the company should decide, again, to decline this project.